Hi. We're just so small and like
We're at lunch right now. It's like 3:30. It's not even lunch, bro. Good morning, everyone. I'm taking a little snack break.
happy to like girl.
Yeah. The nails are done! What do we think? So freaking cute, you guys. I'll show you the other hands. So cute! I think this is one of my favorite sets yet. This is kind of cute. I feel like if it was in a pink, I would like it even more. I think I do really like this one. It comes with like a fitted sheet and a flat sheet and 2 pillowcases. And the material is like really, really soft. And I thought this was so cute. But they don't have it in a queen size. But I love the little cherries. Like, why do I want to buy these for my parents? They're sponges, but they're like fruit sponges. That's so cute. And they have like flowers too. Look at how freaking cute this is. It's like a heart-shaped frame. I really want this for my room, but like I don't know what I would do with it. But this is adorable. Good afternoon, everybody. So today I am going to be trying out a new cafe that my nail girl recommended to me. She told me I have to try it out and I have to vlog my experience, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I got my coffee. I'm so excited to try this out. I got an iced caramel macchiato with soy milk. I feel like that's usually my go-to order. Oh my god. The girl that helped me told me to give it a really good stir. What? Wait, that's so good. The caramel they use is really good. It's like, it's not too sweet, which I really like. Oh my god. This might be my new coffee shop. I also grabbed I think it was called a brown butter s'mores cookie. That looks so good. I did ask them to warm it up for me, but now it's cold again because I took way too long to start filming. That looks so good. I would probably give that cookie a 7 out of 10. And then I think I would give the coffee like a 9.5 out of 10. Oh, I wanted to show you guys a package that I got today. Well, not today, I received it yesterday actually, but I finally opened it today. They are a contact lens company. I worked with them last year. We did a little collaboration. They're one of my favorite places to get contact lenses from. But yeah, we are collaborating again, so they sent me a bunch of lenses. They're super comfy and I can usually wear them for like more than 8 hours and my eyes feel okay. They also have so many different styles. It was really hard for me to pick what I wanted this time around. Jasmine white tea from the bubble tea collection. Black cherry macaron from the Moody collection. This one is chestnut baked cheese, also from the Moody collection. Icebox, I don't really know how to pronounce that, but Icebox Dirty from the Espresso collection. And then they always say contact cases as well. Good morning, everybody. I am finally going to get my hair cut today. I haven't got my hair cut since like October of last year, but my hair also grows like really fast. So I'm gonna chop it all off. Hopefully do something really cute with it. But yeah, we're gonna go drive to see my cousin because she's the one that usually cuts my hair. Guys, the drive here was literally so scary. Okay, the hair is done. Do we like it? We went a lot shorter and we did some like face framing layers, some long layers in the front. And then I'm gonna be growing out my bangs, so that's why it looks like that. But yeah, I feel like a mom right now. Hello, good afternoon. I am about to head to work. I'm wearing my Oilers gear. Today is the very last game of the Stanley Cup playoffs. It's gonna be really busy today. I probably won't be done work until like 1 or 2 a.m. I feel like they're gonna win because they have really good momentum right now. Fingers crossed they win. Either way, it's gonna be a really busy day for me, so that's where I'm gonna be. Okay, hair is finished. I just finished getting ready as well.
Hi, chat. Hi, chat. How are you doing, chat?
Good morning. I am getting ready and doing my makeup because I'm hanging out with my friends today. Yeah, we are going to get some pasta today, and then I think we're also going to like a really cute cafe after as well to take some cute photos. So we're gonna have to look nice, dress nice. Okay, I just finished getting ready. I did my lashes. I didn't get to do my hair today. I don't know, like I feel like it looks fine, but I would have preferred to style it.
Oh. I have the powder.
Okay, I just finished filming the contact lens video. I'm probably gonna edit it later tonight when I get back home. Hopefully it turns out nice. It did take me about, I want to say like almost an hour to do, but I feel like it always takes me a really long time to film content anyways, so. You guys see me? It's so freaking bright. I finished filming my content earlier and I did my laundry. So now I'm at the mall because I need to go to American Eagle and get a new pair or maybe 2 pairs of jeans. I feel like I just have so many different tops and not enough bottoms. I have like probably 100 different tops and like 10 different bottoms, maybe less than 10 actually. Their jeans are usually always really good. I'm wearing a pair of American Eagle jeans right now. But yeah, the mall closes in like an hour, so I have to be really fast. Let's go. They're so cute. These jeans are cute. They are a little bit big around the waist. They are a little bit long too. And I do like the fit. I really like the flared style. So I don't know. Might see if they have this in like a shorter version and then a smaller waist. These are so cute. That was a pretty unsuccessful shopping trip. Like, that's the first time I've ever left the mall with nothing in my hands. Like, I'm so serious. I bought nothing. Okay, I do have one more stop before I grab some food and go home. I have to go to London Drugs because I need to pick up a few things. I'm so hungry, guys. I'm so excited to eat this. Good evening. Guess where I'm at once again. It rhymes with crumbl shucky. I did get a mini 3-pack and then a strawberry shortcake as well. I came early because it's Canada Day and they're closing early today. I think at like 6 o'clock. So yeah, we are literally right outside. Let's go get our order. The mini box is so cute. Okay, I made it back home and it's time to try our crumbl cookies. I got the cornbread s'mores and this one is the, I think, oh my god, birthday cake, patriotic. It's just a sugar cookie with like the cream cheese frosting. It's always good, but definitely not new. I love it though. I love a good sugar cookie. I'm gonna try the cornbread. I've never actually had cornbread before, so I'm interested. It's like sweet but salty but savory. It's actually really good. I'm surprised. I thought I wouldn't like it. It kind of reminds me of those like corn chips that you get at the Asian supermarket. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but there's this like specific brand of corn like puffs that are really, really good. It tastes like that. Okay, next we're gonna try the s'mores. That is good. I like that the cookie is like chewy, very soft. It kind of like melts in your mouth. And the chocolate is like not too overpowering. And I really like the little like graham cracker crumbs on top. That's so good. I think that's my favorite out of all the cookies. The star of the lineup this week, strawberry shortcake. I'm so freaking excited for this. Strawberry shortcake is my favorite kind of cake ever. I will get it for my birthday. I'll get it randomly throughout the month whenever I am craving it. Oh my god. It's not my favorite strawberry shortcake I've had. I really appreciate that it's not too sweet. I really like the whipped cream too. Everything just tastes really like fresh. That's pretty good. Like an 8.5 out of 10. And now I actually have to eat dinner and then I have a meeting to attend after.